Hello, today I'm going to show you how to reach the setup service position or the maintenance position of your wiper arms of your front shield wipers. This is easy. You have a seat at the driver's side, switch on your ignition, and then you can use your wipers, as you can see. If you like to change, for example, the blade of the wipers, you switch on the ignition and then go down with the wiper arm lever. 1, 2, 3. And then hold it there and you see what's going on. The maintenance position is reached immediately. But take care, you have to do or perform this slow and gentle. Switch on the ignition. Then go down. 1, 2, 3. Ignition is on. Wiper arms are in maintenance position. Then you can go out, change the wiper blades, change what you like to do. Then go in, switch on the car again or the ignition and get back the lever into position O. Here we are again. Switch on, go down, and you see what's going on. Nothing. You have to do 3 steps, okay? 3 steps. This is important. You cannot drag it down. This does not work. You have to go in 1 up to 2 seconds steps down to setup 3. Here you can see how it performs, and here we reach it. That's the maintenance position of your Smart 4.2. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Son.